water mash.
In primetime news this evening, closing in, Joe Biden on the verge of victory and not backing down. Protests continue as Trump looks likely to lose. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. We have primetime sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Now, our feedback question this evening. Are you comfortable with the measures in place for the pilot phase of face-to-face classes on Monday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.